Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Northeast, Midwest United States dig out from the snowstorm. South warming above average. People in the Northeast and Midwest are still digging out Sunday night after the rock of winter storm dumped more than a foot of snow on the parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey at a rate of 4 inches per hour. The snow is part of the mass of the cold air that reintroduced itself in the region after warmer temperatures pulled the states out of the deep freeze with the rock bottom temperatures and high winds. The quick-moving storm skipped across the Northeast, subjecting residents to a wintry mix of ice, snow, and wind as the front traveled from the St. Louis to the East Coast in just over 24 hours during the weekend. Pennsylvania got the most snow, 14.8 inches in Macangou and 13.8 inches in Central Valley. Pittsburgh got little over 6 inches and 13 inches fell in the Holland Township, New Jersey Saturday. Coney Island, New York got just under 10 inches and the Central Park in the New York City was blanketed with a little more than an inch. Before it moved east, the storm dumped half a foot of snow on St. Louis, which created huge traffic problems on the Interstate 70, where the local fire department responded to a large pile up as well as several weather-related smaller multi-vehicle accidents. Blowing snow created squalls and whiteout conditions for the travelers on Interstate 95 from Ohio to Massachusetts Saturday afternoon. Snow squalls reduced visibility and caused travel hazards from Ohio to Massachusetts. Despite the wet and snow winter, nearly every city along the I-95 corridor reports being below normal snowfall amounts for the season. Forecasters predict the front will keep overnight lows and daytime highs seasonably chilly. Lows are projected to be in the 15 to 20 degrees range, but it will feel much colder as gusty winds drive chill readings into the single digits above zero across the Northeast, and the forecasters predict chilly weather for the upcoming week. As northeasterners thaw out, the plains and southern states are projected to see spring-like temperatures, with daytime highs climbing into 70s and 80s, pushing into Texas and Oklahoma by midweek, a significant increase over the 30s and 40s and the region was experiencing for the daytime highs at the start of the weekend. High pressure over the Texas will slowly slide off to the east over the Gulf Coast by midweek, allowing for a southerly flow to fill in across the region and enable warmer conditions, which would take a solid 12 hours of tracking. That's just testament to how mild weather has been across Canada this winter season, and the final 11 days of the February show a continuation of the average pattern with above normal temperatures across the eastern Canada poised to continue even spilling into the March. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.